Hello, welcome to our new week in our new unit. We are now in Unit 4 at Peak Performance. We are finished with Unit 3. Let's see what you have to do in Unit 4 to start. We are in Week 12, Day 1, Monday, May 3rd. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. You have one assignment in Async to complete a grammar writing lesson in Nearpod. It is a Monday, that means we have class together on Zoom. So we'll be doing some speaking practice and we'll be learning about some sequence, and we will do page 62 in our book together. And that's it for today. Good luck.